My name is Nandini. I am the director at a company called Tescom. We are an electronics manufacturing unit. We are contract manufacturers for various large OEMs. We make various products involving automotive, medical electronics, consumer electronics, defense and aerospace, telecom products and the like. And we are now standing at the Common Facility Center of Electronic City Industries Association cluster. This is the electronics manufacturing unit. I will run you through this line. So this is one of the lines where we make the printed circuit boards assembly. This is called as the paste printer, where the solder paste is printed, and from there on the PCB moves on to the pick and place machine. These are pick and place machines where the components are placed. You can see component reels being loaded here, and then it will get picked and placed on the PCBs. This is also a pick and place machine. This is specifically meant for making prototypes. This machine is meant because it has got a large cart and it can take large number of feeders, so it goes for prototype making. And then from there on, through the conveyor, the board moves on and comes to the reflow oven. This is the reflow oven where the actual soldering happens. So the paste gets printed there, and then the components are placed, and then it comes to the reflow oven where the soldering happens. And from there on, there is the automatic optical inspection. This can handle 3D printed circuit boards which run through the reflow oven, get inspected here for any defects, and then it goes on to get stored there, and from there on it goes into product development. This is again another line which is in the other side, and these machines are high-speed machines, and this is a prototyping line. We make various products, we make various assemblies for products here which go on into various critical assemblies also. As you can see, we also have a X-ray inspection facility here. All these machines and equipments that are available here can be used by the community around us here. We want to bring the community here to use these for their new product development. That's the very purpose of this cluster, and this facility has been really helpful to us, and we have scaled up by using this facility to a great extent. We are really thankful to the cluster and the government authorities for having set it up here. We would want more companies to use this, and we are ever ready to include more people to be using this so that it gives visibility to all.